Okay, so we are back with points C and D, and we're looking at the change in y over the change in x. So we're going to take our y's, okay, so we've got 5 minus 7, okay, and we're taking it over 2 minus 4, which is equal to negative 2 over negative 2, which is equal to a positive 1. So this slope is equal to 1. Okay. So let's say we have got a line, new line, and here is our coordinate plane again. Now let's look at a line that looks like this. Okay, we know that this is origin over here, so we know that this is a vertical line, okay? And our vertical line would have a rise that is pretty much anything. Let's just look at these points here, and that would be a rise of 3 over a run. Well, it's not running, so our run is 0. So 3 divided by 0 is equal to, does anybody say 0? Because that would be wrong. Okay, here is Mr. Llama saying no. That would be wrong. We never divide by 0. So what we are going to say is that this is undefined. All vertical lines are undefined on the slope. This is undefined. Now, let's say I have a horizontal line. Horizontal line. Here, my rise is 0. I'm not going up. I'm just going sideways. My run can be anything that we want. My run, let's say we're going from here to here, my run is 4. 0 divided by 4, now you can say, is equal to 0. So this one has a 0 slope. Okay, so this is important to take note. Vertical lines are undefined. Horizontal lines have a 0 slope. Okay, important to take notes of. Let's see, the last thing that I want to just say is that our negative and positive lines, one more time, I just want to reiterate that when you have, here's one more coordinate plane, and just a couple more lines. Okay. This line and this line. Okay. This line is positive because it's rising left to right. And this line here, this line is, I've got to move it a little bit so that this is negative because it is falling left to right. Okay, so just try to keep that direction because negative slopes must have a negative sign. Okay, something to live by. Negative slope must have a negative sign. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully that little pencil wasn't in the way the whole time. So that should be it. Okay, made it through.